Estate planning and dementia risk. Scientific research reveals a sobering truth. 42% of Americans age 55 and older face a lifetime risk of dementia. For those with certain genetic factors, the risk is even higher. These aren't just numbers. They represent millions of families facing heart-wrenching decisions. Dementia doesn't just impact individuals, it deeply affects families. Watching a loved one lose their independence can bring emotional and financial strain, difficult decisions, and at times, even conflict among those closest to you. But it doesn't have to be this way. Estate planning that includes incapacity planning provides clarity and peace of mind. By making decisions now about medical care, finances, and living arrangements, you ensure your family isn't left to guess your wishes or face court battles during an already difficult time. With the right plan in place, you can ease your family's burden, preserve your dignity, and protect your legacy so they can focus on what really matters, loving and supporting you. Don't let your family endure this journey alone. Contact Legacy Assurance Plan to start building your personalized estate plan today.
Protect your assets and loved ones with Legacy Assurance Plan. Call now to get started.